Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the time of slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now let's take a look at the settings bar. Here we have to slide up to get access to the more advanced modes here. And as you can see here we can pick it and we have the slow motion mode. So by tapping on this we get access to it. And to change the time of our slow motion we have to simply tap on this. And we have this slider and can do it like that. As you can see, this is how it works. And now I'm going to start recording the slow motion video to show you how it works. And we go to the preview for now and start playing. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.